Trending ang girlfriend ni two-time Olympics gold medalist Carlos Yulo na si Chloe San Jose matapos nitong mag-perform sa ASAP nitong linggo, September 1 bilang Woman of the Hour. Maraming nagtatanong kung magiging mainstay na ba siya sa noontime show ng Kapamilya Network at mag-aartista na ba siya? From content creator, heto siya'y may Havana song and dance spot na sa ASAP and looking forward daw siya sa collaboration nila ni Maymay Entrada. Parang na-achieve na ni Chloe ang instant fame. Kulang na lang ang wish ng mga netizens na sana magkaayos na siya at ang pamilya ni Kaloy. Samantala, super proud naman si Carlos Yulo sa naging performance ng kanyang girlfriend sa ASAP stage. Anito sa kanyang comment nang ibinahagi ni Chloe ang video ng kanyang guesting sa show, "I'm so proud of you, mahal ko grabe." Na sinagot naman ni Chloe ng, "Thank you for being so supportive, mahal ko."
Wow!
Grabe, ang init!
Sa A to Z, we got Chloe San Jose! Hello, Chloe!
Grabe, ang galing mo! Sobrang natural yung pagiging imotero mo, kabugera ka.
That is true! Oo.
Yes, oo nga po.
Before anything else, bumati ka muna sa lahat na nakatutok sa atin ngayon.
Hi, everybody! Hello po, it's Chloe.
From the I Want ASAP stage, years back now to the ASAP main stage. We're so happy to have you as well. Finally, no? Kamusta naman yung first ever performance mo sa ASAP stage?
Kinakabahan po ako.
Kinakabahan ba yun?
Actually, everyone was applauding you.
Grabe yung confident mo, Bek. Ang galing, oh, grabe, bye.
Pag ganun,
Oo nga, kami nagulat kami. Hoban. Hoban naman sa siya kanila ko.
baka susunod,
Siya lang mga...
kung gusto ni Chloe magkaroon ng collab between Chloe
Yes.
and Maymay.
I think we want that. Do we want a performance from Chloe and Maymay dito sa ASAP stage? I think we can arrange that. Pero speaking about what's next, Chloe, we want to ask as well, ano ba yung next chapter of your life? What's next for Chloe San Jose?
Oh no, I don't know, Kuya Edward. I'm just so excited and happy to be here po. Let's see what the future holds po.
Oh, but just in case, given a chance, ano ba yung gusto mong mangyari? You can manifest it.
With the collab po with Ate Maymay.
Oh, yan. Gusto mo yung mangyari, no? Well,
Sinabi
Chloe,
mo.
our doors are always open for you. You would love to?
Yes, of course po. At dito ko pa siya makita sa mga marami pang performances dito sa ASAP natin to.
That's
Ay,
right.
Sa
That's
ASAP.
We would love that. We would love to say thank you once again para po natin. Chloe San Jose, maraming salamat.
That's right.
For being here on ASAP. At susunod na,